This video we are going to see the chemicals which are used as medicines. Drugs. What are drugs? Drugs are the chemical which used to treat diseases. The first one, analgesics. Analgesics are the substance which used to relieve pain. There are two types of analgesics, narcotic analgesics and non-narcotic analgesics. Analgesics which relieves pain along with the sleepiness is called narcotic analgesics. Example, heroin, morphine, codeine are example of narcotic analgesics. Non-narcotic analgesics is the reverse of that, which is not giving any sleepiness. Aspirin, paracetamol, ibuprofen, diclofenac are example of non-narcotic analgesics. So, analgesics relieves pain, narcotic analgesics, non-narcotic analgesics. The next one is anesthetics. What are anesthetics? Anesthetics are the substance which is used in surgery, reversible loss of consciousness in surgery. Loss of consciousness that can be reversed, called reversible loss of consciousness. There are two types of anesthetic, local anesthetic and general anesthetic. Local anesthetic means the loss of consciousness in particular area is called a local anesthetic. General anesthetic means the whole body loss of consciousness. Propofol, benzodiazepine are example of anesthetics. Next one is what are antibiotics? Antibiotics which used to treat infections that is produced from microorganism. The substances antibiotics produced from microorganism which used to treat infections. Example of antibiotics, the queen of medicine, penicillin, chloramphenicol, ampicillin, ofloxacin are example of antibiotics. Next one is antiseptics and disinfectant. Antiseptic and disinfectants kill or prevent the growth of microorganism. Antiseptics or disinfectants kill or prevent the growth of microorganism. Antiseptics and disinfectant, the difference is antiseptic applied on living tissues. Example, Dettol, the tincture of water. What is tincture of water is 2 to 3% of iodine in alcohol and water mixture is called tincture of water, and Dettol is called antiseptics that is applied on living tissues. What is disinfectant is applied on inanimate objects, floors and instruments. Example of disinfectant are 1% solution of phenol, 0.2 to 0.4 ppm parts per million of chlorine in water are used as disinfectant, that is used to purify water. So, antiseptic and disinfectant. Disinfectant is used to kill or prevent the growth of microorganisms. Dettol and tincture of water is antiseptic. Phenyl and chloroform, chlorine water is example of disinfectant. Next one is sulfur drugs. Sulfur drugs are effective on microorganism, killing microorganism that contains sulfur and nitrogen. Sulfonylide and sulfapyridine are used as sulfur drugs effective on microorganisms. Antacids, gelisul, digene are example of antacids. ENO. Antacids remove the excess of acid and raise the pH to appropriate level in our body. Antacids are a mixture of sodium bicarbonate, aluminum hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. Excess of antacids may increase, that sodium bicarbonate may increase acid level sometime. Next one is antihistamines, anti-allergic substance. Allergic reactions in our body is due to histamine generation in our body. The drug which used to control that histamine, antihistamine, anti-allergic are called antihistamines. Ranitidine, cimetidine that are used for acidity can act as antihistamines. Tranquilizers. Tranquilizers are the drug that is used for making people feel calm and help them to sleep. The stress relievers are called tranquilizers. Example of tranquilizers are meprobamate, Equanil reduces hypertension, barbiturate, hypnotic. The powerful tranquilizer is Sebasol is powerful tranquilizer. Next one is what are antipyretics? Antipyretics is the substances which reduce the fever, body temperature is called antipyretics. Paracetamol, aspirin are example of antipyretics.